Hi viewers, how are you? Welcome to my channel Craft India. Today our topic is the Halloween decorations. You are watching the different eyeball Halloween decorations. You are watching the hand candle Halloween decorations. You are watching Halloween plant decoration in garden. You are watching the mm, another Halloween decoration for garden. You are watching the spider web candle holder. You are watching spider uh, for corner. You can make at home. You are watching the Halloween windows. You can make at home easy and simple idea. You are watching the handout for paper craft. You are watching the Halloween decorations for room, different ideas of Halloween. You are watching the windows decoration with pumpkin and paper craft. You are watching the handout Halloween decoration. You are watching the legs with umbrella Halloween decoration. You are watching the ghost Halloween decoration for room. You are watching the different characters, different Halloween shadow box. You are watching the uh, uh, you can made easily at home shadow box for Halloween decoration. You are watching the Halloween chair decoration. Dollar Tree crafts, bow Dollar Tree crafts, Halloween Dollar Tree crafts. You are watching the pumpkin Dollar Tree plant. You are watching the table decoration, Halloween table decoration idea. You are watching the catching Halloween lanterns. You are watching the Halloween lantern jar based. You are watching different for bottles decorate for Halloween. You are watching the huge bottle decorate with Halloween decoration. You are watching the bottles decorate for Halloween idea. You are watching another bottle jar decorate for Halloween. You are watching Halloween candle decorations idea. You are watching the Halloween huge bottle, unique bottle idea for Halloween. You are watching the wine bottle decoration for Halloween. You are watching Halloween template